Best car detailing kits. Number 3. Chemical Guys 2-Bucket Wash and Dry Kit. Full 2-bucket car wash and dry package. Heavy-duty materials and construction. High-quality citrus wash and gloss and Mr. Pink shampoos lift and lubricate abrasive dirt and grime. Premium Chenille microfiber wash mitt removes and traps dirt away from paintwork for a scratch-free cleaning. Color-coded dirt trap bucket inserts capture dirt and grit for scratch-free wash. Pros. This colorful kit with sturdy buckets and products for washing and drying is something everyone can use. Products are geared towards scratch-free results. A great starter product for new drivers. Cons. Some buyers find it a little pricey, especially considering the limited contents. Bottom line. This kit is simpler than some others in that it focuses mainly on the basics, but if you want a quality product for gifting or for yourself, it's one to consider. Number 2. Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit. Includes 12 premium products to clean, shine and protect your paint, interior, wheels, bumpers and everything in between. Takes guesswork out of the equation. Designed to blast away dirt and grime while boosting your car's shine. Gold Class Carnauba Plus Liquid. Keeps your car reflective and leaves long-lasting protection. Provides high gloss protection that keeps tires black with a dark gloss shine. Clay bars and quick detailer to remove bonded contaminants. Scratchx 2.0 to remove swirls and scratches. Quick interior detailer to clean and protect interior surfaces. Plastex Clear Plastic Cleaner and Polish to remove defects on uncoated clear plastics and accessories. Pros. 12-piece set gets your car shiny inside and out. Gold Class products wash away dirt while protecting paint. Endurance Tire Gel lasts weeks longer than other products. Comes with tools to keep your car looking fresh in between detailed washes. Cons. Some customers received open or spilled products. Bottom line. With 12 pieces aimed at detailing perfection, this affordable kit can boost the appearance of your car. Number 1. Chemical Guys Complete Car Care Kit. This kit is the ultimate collection of car wash supplies, and is the gift that keeps on giving for any car buff, truck enthusiast or classic car fan. It contains everything needed to clean and maintain a beautiful shine on any car or truck. Works on all cars, trucks and SUVs, old car, new SUV, black car, red car, new or used, any color. This kit can help you make your interior and exterior look its best. Pros. Attention to detail in every aspect. An elevated at-home car detailing experience for many types of cars and surfaces. 14-piece set cleans your car from top to bottom. Clean, shine, and protect paint, wheels, tires, bumpers, and even the interior. Attempts to do it all, from removing water spots to leaving chrome spotless and brilliant. Cons. Given the price, customers may expect the kit to come with brushes. Bottom line. 14 premium products assembled into one convenient package. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.